60 more. This is the number of records for an year it will be generated. So no one wants to generate unless there is a binding requirement. Time dimension table will be at a daily level. It won't go till the timely level. So at the most you have one record per day. That's all it is. So all you have is 365 records or 364 or 66 depending upon what year we fall and leap years and all that. So now we are all set. We are ready to run the job and it will create us the time dimension. So let us validate. Before we run a job, we have to always validate, make sure that there are no errors. The reason I say that is sometimes when you directly run the job with data services, if there is some real wrong validation or we haven't, if we break the syntax too badly, it will throw an unknown exception and the job will exit. When the job exits, you will be a total loss that you don't have a monitor of what you did, right? And it won't save that job. So make sure every time you build anything validated. And now, anyhow, when running the job, it will ask for, do you want it to save? So I also wanted to keep the always recover as a unit. And now I'm going to run. But in the first point, this particular data flow is a different data flow. I will remove this. I will put our sales, the sales arc data flow here, because that is the reality. The other one is not recommended in the tutorial, so I will use this. But we had some problems yesterday. Quick and dirty, just for the heck of it, I will go and modify it and will put the direct, or else I can redefine it. That is the easiest and best thing I can do really quick. I don't waste time on there. So yesterday this was not functioning properly. The reason could be anything. So I'm deleting it. I'm going to define a new file format very quick. When we say very quick, things won't work because we are under pressure, right? When we do it normal, it's easy for us. But you believe me, Indians, we are the best to handle, or even all the Asians, it is the same. We are good when we work under pressure. If there is no pressure, none of us can become productive. That is kind of an we can't say tradition, but that's how we have been brought up from the day one. We don't really do things when there is no pressure on us. So always pressure will make you work, and so we are the fittest, survival of the fittest in United States. So I'm trying to find the path for it. So I go here. I better go with the traditional way of each of them so that it is easier. So this is the one I wanted to use. Just that finally I have to give you this particular job as I mentioned. So I don't want it to really divert what is being given in the tutorial. That's the reason I'm redoing this one. So I take the blame of yesterday that finally did not work. So I'm redoing it to make things simpler. So it is sales underscore arg. Guys, stop me if you are not able to understand at any point, because from now it is not about how much I tell you, it is only about how much you understand. Because if even I give you only a few items, but if you have good clarity, I'm good with the class. I don't need to teach you each other option that is existing here without you understanding what is happening. So I better keep it short and sweet, or lengthy and easy to understand. So I'll be able to spend more time when you require it. So the quick and dirty, as I told you, is completed. We should not face that issue anymore. So it is validated. There are more than one warnings. Data type warning actually. So yesterday we saw this work finally. So it should be good. Now I'm going to save the job and run it, guys. Yeah, execute. So the job will be executed and we should see the time dimension getting populated and we can also monitor the statistics, not only here. Today we will be also logging into the administrator and monitor it. Invalid value day 50 per date. Okay, it is the same yesterday's problem we had with the first one. We'll fix this. But if you see, there are 24,107 records got populated, which is for the last 60 years. I think the date calendar is got created. So I go back and let me fix this issue really quick, because the flat file format was the culprit here. It has put them as integers, so the conversion warning is that's the reason we have the conversion warning. So what I need to do is I go back here, because it treated that as a number. Let me make it everything as web chat. I run it again. It is not taking too long, so we'll be in good shape. I say delete data before load. And also for this, let me see, or else it's going to duplicate the data. I have more than one option, so for this I will not I will delete it. It is already there, so let me rerun it. The delete data before load you can use certainly if it is very small amount of data. For a dimensional table which has maybe 20-30,000 rows, it's fine. But if it is a million rows, don't use it, guys. So now I don't see the warning, and finally the data is loaded. Let us go and look in the, yes please. Oh, is it? Wow. I am the organizer and I logged in. Uh, I think you only have the problem. Can anyone else tell me? Oh. I don't know, because I haven't got any problem so far. But okay, 1 second. I'm going to stop the screen share and then redo it. Let us see if it works. So now, are you able to see a PowerPoint? Sorry, a PPT there? Oh, that is something funny, because we are in the same meeting. These are technical difficulties, guys. We'll have to blame on GoToMeeting, nothing on my side. So just in case you get disconnected, don't worry, log in back and I will hold on a couple of minutes for you. Because I mean, I logged in as myself, and I see I am the presenter, so I don't know why. Okay, let me see if there is any option of your network connection has been re-established. Okay, there was some network problem, guys. I see it now. It says the network connection is re-established. So now you should be able to see me. Do you see me, guys? Oh, what about the remaining people? You see my screen now. It says like your network connection has been re-established. So there was a drop in the connection in between. And so when the organizer gets dropped, it will only hold for 5 to 10 minutes and the entire session will be disconnected. Connection lost again. Yeah, I am, but now I got one more message saying connection lost. Please check your network connection. If you don't reconnect within 5 minutes, the meeting will be ended. So, yeah, but you know what I see in my internet connection? The one problem is if I log off, the session will end and I will have to send you the new session notice. That's a problem. When I am in session and if I try to exit, the meeting will end. So let me find any other way. I'm trying to connect to a different network here, because there are a couple of networks in this office. So Yeah, now I got connected. I used a different network. Okay. See, your network connection has been re-established. Maybe there are two connections in this office. One is the Linksys router connection, and we have other business line. So now I connected to the business launch, so it is working. And here the network is too fast. Yesterday it took only 900 MB in 2 minutes, guys. Never I saw something getting uploaded in 2 minutes. 900 MB file got uploaded in 2 minutes. Not even 2 minutes. That fast it was. If I'm at home, I never had this kind of a network experience because it was too slow. Everyone says now it is moving. Cool. So I don't know whatever you have missed from last 5 minutes. I'm trying to recap it now. So this is the data services screen. I have run the job couple of times. So let me do a roll call and see if everyone are back and everyone are able to see me. Ashok, do you see me and hear me? Ashok? Okay. Chaudhary, do you see me and hear me? Okay, now Ashok replied. I don't know Chaudhary. Okay. He always wants to chat. I'm right now looking at the data services screen, and also you should be able to see the my GoToMeeting window there. I'm checking with everyone. So do you see my data services screen? Correct. That is what it is. Okay. So Chaudhary Babu, I think you are able to see me. You replied. And Hilal, you see me and hear me? Krishna, do you see me and hear me? And Sridevi, how about you? Perfect. Shauri? Yeah, Shauri anyhow, yeah. Okay, Syed, how about you? Syed, you there? Perfect. So the data got loaded, guys. The good news is we are able to use the date generation transform. You see, this is the ID it generated for us, and the native date is here because it is a date and timestamp. It also tried to put 0000 because we are not populating it. And this is month 1 and business quarter 1, and the year is 1947. So our love story, our hero's love story started in 1947. So I picked the date the same way. We can say Amir Khan as our hero. So so let us also look it into couple of quarters. If we want to run a quick query and see, we can actually see how many quarters are there. So what I'm going to do is, let me run a distinct on this. Distinct column names are never case sensitive, but I try to do that. Don't worry about that. You have only 4 quarters, so we can see what is a actually different date in a business quarter could be different than the calendar quarter. So if we wanted to see that, let me make it a star and rerun it. So if I just try to scroll down, somewhere I should be able to see the 4th month as a business month, 8th month, 7th month as 3rd quarter. So it started in the same way. Okay, it also depends on business. Currently it has given normal quarter, guys, here, but if you want the fiscal quarter, then it is more business specific. They will give you a rule saying our business starts on so and so date, so there comes up a new column. But this is something which is from our calendar. If you try to notice it, you have all the dates that we wanted got populated. But why you see only till 1948 is it displays only first 1000 records. If we wanted to see the 2012, we have to put a where condition where year num is equal to 2011. So you'd see the 2011 dates. So here are they. So the important thing is, if you look at the Julian ID, it is a sequential number that is automatically generated. These dates are automatically generated. The quarter, month, year, everything is automatically generated.